Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
It's Tuesday, Ted.
Good morning all. It's, what day is it? Oh, it's Tuesday, the 13th of May. It's a beautiful day today after a couple of strange, rainy, overcast days. Took it easy over the past couple of days because my wife said so. And today I've got to go and get my windscreen changed. 10 o'clock, which I don't speak French. I should, and I'm going to. I've got more things on my mind. I can't concentrate on a language at the moment. But yes, I mean, I don't know whether you can see my windscreen. It starts there and goes all the way. It's a big question mark. So, got to have that done today. And I've got to muddle through with my Friendish. Apparently they're very nice at the place I'm going to. But let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see. Anyway, I'll update you later.
Much later.
Well, that's my windscreen replaced. Brand new. Looks fantastic. And free wipers. Now, I can recommend Carglass in Mayenne town. Really good, really good. Impressed with their professionalism and their willingness to help you. And if you try out the language like I did, we were all smiles. It was great. It was a nice experience, believe it or not. Expensive one, because it works differently in France than it does in the UK. I'm not going to go into the price details, but let me put it this way. In the UK, it would cost you a quarter of the price. And that's going through your insurance. Anyway, I'm going to crack on. I've got some gardening to do. Got to mow the lawn and do odds and sods around. So I'll catch you later.
Ta-ta for now.